Hi everyone, it's Lynn here, and I am excited to unveil my change of scenery workshop kit that will be an online event on Saturday, June 10th. Now, I wanted to really go through the artwork and the products with you, but you're going to be so surprised that there's very little extra products that you'll need to create these beautiful 8 pages. So let's take a look. Well, first of all, here's the workshop kit that you'll need because it has pretty much everything that we want. We have all the pattern paper, sticker sheets. It comes with 6 sheets of white daisy, 2 sheets of pine, and a black cardstock. The stamp set is adorable, and then you have these great die cuts that you're seeing here, and it's only $47.95. Now, this is the stamp set which we will be using on the artwork, and you're really going to enjoy using this if you are an outdoor person and really do a lot of things for the great outdoors in your life. The papers are really beautiful, and this pattern right here, I can't wait to show you what I've done with it on the layout, but they're really very complementary to work together. Now, this is what I love about it. As far as what products you're going to need, a custom 12. I'm going to suggest 4 sheets of pine because you'll be using them for photo mats, 2 seabrook, 2 mocha, 2 linen, and 2 sage. 6 white daisy come in the workshop, and that's all you need. As far as inks go, pine, sage, and mocha are the 3 inks that I used. I used a little bit of mink, but you can get away with one of these other colors if you prefer. And I added a blending brush for the green and a sponge dauber for the mocha. Now here's the first layout. This is my sign to take a walk. Oh my gosh, I love this blue cloud paper, but look at all of the stamping that we're doing here. First, second, third generation. It really looks awesome. Oh my gosh, I love it. Then you have these die cuts, and you'll have plenty of photo opportunities here. And slowing down has its perks, is also stamped. So we're using the stickers, the die cuts right here, and just enjoying the sign. Out in nature, it's popped up. And see, note the stamping of the trees, how we're doing all of this stamping in the background. It really adds such a great look to the layout. The next set of pages is Go See Do, and we are going to be sponging in some of this mocha paper here. Really help make it pop. There's the mocha cardstock, and we're tearing, and we're also doing some stamping and sponging with the mountains. I really love the way this came out. By the way, there will be, you need to cut a circle. I used a 9.5-inch circle cut, so if you have a Cricut, if not, I will create a template for you to download so you can cut the circle. Go is another great part of the die cuts, and the arrows I sponged in with the mocha ink, and then we're stamping the mountains and a little bit of sponging behind there. Loving the view, stamping a little bit of the grass. Go See Do, really fun, and these are some more die cuts. What a great layout. Now this one, I really had a tough time cutting this paper, I will say that. But the top portion that I cut was on pages 1 and 2 with the clouds. So you're really going to enjoy this paper, as you can see. It's holding a 5x7 photo, but you can also do a 4x6 or 2 3.5x5s that are vertical. So it's enjoy the view and really beautiful. Now you can just do this as is with 3 photos, but I'm going to show you that we're actually going to create shutters, 6x12 flip-flap shutters that open up. So that'll be the big surprise when you'll see it at the event. But this is one of the stickers, and well, basically it's a cluster of things with stamping and stickers that are on the base page of that layout. My happy place with the trees that are stamped. I liked using this. I don't know if everybody will have this tiny little GO that comes in the die cuts, but using one of the postage stamps, paper, and cutting one out, it's a really cute idea. Love the view, beautiful view, and these are die cuts. The paper is stunning. You won't see the back side of it because it's a secret, and I can't wait to show it to you at the online event. Only those of you who attend the event will be receiving my cutting guide. So this is something you'll want to sign up for at a special low price of only $20. What a great deal. And this is pages 7 and 8. So you can see here we're tearing some paper. We have some great stickers, and this is a great use of paper after cutting the circles, so you'll be really pleasantly surprised. But isn't this fun? Look at how great these die cuts and papers are together. Here's a little bit of stamping, and if you have either watercolor pencil or shimmer brush, you can color in those flowers a little bit. Change of Scenery is a great stamp that's in the kit. Nature is another stamp, and then we have some craft die cuts as well. Loving This is another die cut, and we just popped it up and put some pine paper underneath and added some stickers. Love that. Put some pine paper underneath the circle. So here's layout one, pages 1 and 2, with all the details. Love that. Pages 3 and 4, 5 and 6, with the 6x12 flip flops. So that's another thing you're going to need. And 7 and 8. Great way of using up all the papers. There's hardly anything left. Now, when it comes to the shopping list, there is a link for the shopping list, and I'm letting you know you need to have the change of scenery. There is a $50 minimum purchase of product required. If you've purchased this kit from somebody else, you need to make a $50 purchase on my website. It can be any product. But if you are a valued customer or VIP of mine and have already purchased this workshop on my website, then just check out this list below and you're good to go. A custom 12 cardstock. Please order 4 pine and then 2 of each of these colors, sage, seabrook, mocha, and linen. You click on the links, it will take you directly to the product. You need the 6x12 flip-flops. We're using 2 of them. Only 3 inks are needed, a blending brush and sponge daubers. And then, of course, you have your basic tools. So that's pretty much it. So I'm super excited about sharing this with you, and I hope you are too, and I'd love to have you join me. Even if you're brand new, you will love learning all the details for stamping and scrapbooking with me, Lynn Como. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.